AlgoBars.
Welcome to AlgoBars. What you're about to see will change how you think about trading forever. This is AlgoBuilder, the most advanced strategy building engine ever created. What used to take professional quants months to code and cost traders thousands, if not millions of dollars in developer fees, you can now do in minutes, for free. Let's show you how. Before AlgoBuilder, building an automated trading strategy meant one of three things: spending $5,000 to $500,000 hiring a developer, learning to code for months or years yourself, or giving up entirely. 95% of retail traders never automate, not because they don't want to, but because they couldn't or don't know how. Until now. The AlgoBuilder interface. To access the AlgoBuilder, from the main platform page, select AlgoBuilder in the drop-down menu on the top left. You can also access it from the right side command center on any chart you open up. The AlgoBuilder has four main areas. The Tools panel on the left, with every indicator and chart pattern known to trading. The chart in the center, showing live price action. The Strategy Builder below, where the magic happens. And the Replay and Performance panels, showing you exactly how your strategy performs. The Tools panel. This is everything you need. On the left, you have access to over 100+ indicators, dozens of candlestick patterns, advanced SMC and ICT concepts, Elliott wave, harmonics, and market structure tools, moving averages, SMA, EMA, WMA, DMA, HMA, VWMA, oscillators, RSI, MACD, stochastics, CCI, price action, order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity grabs, break of structure, supertrend indicator, and more. Everything professional traders use, all in one place. Enabling chart settings. At the top, you can set your market, any forex pair, crypto, index, stock, or commodity. You can then choose your time frame, from 1-minute scalping to daily swing trading. You can then set your test period to see how long you want to test your strategy for. Now, you can configure your risk, position size, stop loss, and take profit. The platform calculates everything for you automatically, so you don't have to. 3 ways to build. Choose your style. Method 1, drag and drop. This is visual strategy building. No code needed. Drag RSI from the Tools panel, drop it into your workspace, then give it the rules. For example, if RSI crosses above 70, then sell. And that's it. You just built a strategy. There you go. What would take money to develop and 200 lines of code on other platforms takes 30 seconds on AlgoBars. You can infinitely mix and match various indicators, chart patterns, and strategy ideas to create your unique rule set. The possibilities are endless. Method 2, Plain English AI. This is where AlgoBuilder becomes something the world has never seen. Type in plain English. If there is a fair value gap, then buy. Or if RSI goes below 30 and there is a demand zone, then buy. Or if double bottom detected, then sell. Click Build Strategy. Watch as the AI instantly converts your words into executable trade logic. No programming language, no syntax errors. Just describe what you want like you're talking to another trader or developer. The AI understands indicators, patterns, SMC concepts, Elliott wave, everything. If you learn how to use this, it can potentially be revolutionary for your trading edge. Method 3, AI strategy generation. Don't know where to start? Click Generate Strategy. The AI analyzes current market conditions and creates a complete, back and forward tested strategy for you. It's like having a quant developer on demand, 24/7, building strategies while you sleep. You can then go and instantly tweak and modify the generated strategy to give you potential trading ideas or an entirely new outlook on how markets work, saving you tons of time and money on your journey to automating your trading strategy from scratch. Next, testing. See it before you risk it. Click Test Strategy. The Replay engine scans through historical data bar by bar, executing your strategy exactly as it would trade live. Watch the trades happen in real time on the chart. See every entry, every exit, every win, every loss. The trade history logs everything. In trading, this is particularly important because if you can't see what happened in the past, how can you feel confident trading into the future? You can't. AlgoBars changes that for good. If you want to replay the market as if it's happening live, you'll need to upgrade to the Elite Edition. If you're on the free plan, you can still view your strategy performance completely for free. Next, Performance Analytics. The equity curve shows your account growth visually. Below that, the performance panel gives you professional-grade metrics: total trades, win rate, profit factor, net P&L, average win, average loss, risk-reward ratio, maximum drawdown, and return percentage. These are the same stats hedge funds use, and now they're yours. Why this changes everything. Think about what you're seeing. A strategy that would cost $100,000 to over $1 million to develop after years of failure and testing. Built in 2 minutes. A backtest that would take an expert developer weeks or months to code. Done instantly. Performance analytics that institutional traders pay Bloomberg terminals for, right here. AlgoBuilder isn't just a platform, it's the democratization of algorithmic trading. Now, saving your strategy and going live. Once you're done making your strategy, you can name it. Click Save, and then access up to 100 plus saved strategies in the My Strategies panel. When you're confident, you can deploy it directly to your broker account on AlgoBars, and it'll start executing right away. You can also click Connect MT4 or MT5 to link your broker if you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Your strategy goes live in seconds. It trades for you while you work, sleep, or live your life. And best of all, if you deploy your strategy on your broker on AlgoBars, you can turn off your terminal, and it'll keep executing even if your device is off. This is huge. Next, the indicator matrix, where you can create your own indicators. If the 100 plus built-in indicators aren't enough, the AlgoBars Matrix tab lets you fuse multiple indicators into custom creations. Combine RSI with ATR, blend MACD with ADX, create indicators that don't exist anywhere else. Your edge, your intellectual property, who this is for. Whether you're a complete beginner who's never traded before or a professional trader who's been doing this for decades, AlgoBuilder meets you where you are. Beginners use plain English. Professionals use the advanced block system. Everyone can get the same institutional-grade opportunities. This is AlgoBuilder. Build strategies instantly. Type what you want in plain English. Let AI generate strategies for you. Backtest on years of historical data. Analyze with professional metrics. Connect to your broker and automate. What took the industry 30 years to build for institutions, we built for you. The future of trading isn't coming, it's here. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.